Guten Tag, Klasse. Today we are starting Kapitel 7, Chapter 7. So, as you can see from the screen, what you're going to be able to do is to say what people are wearing. It doesn't have to be your friends. Your friends, your family, you're going to be able to say what people are wearing, what clothing items they have on. If the item of clothing looks good on someone, describe their sizing, point out something. You might be able to discuss seasonal sales. We'll mention that a little bit. And use clothing cognates, words that sound the same, like Socken are socks. You will be able to use verb with stem vowel changes. We've already seen this, like the A to A umlaut is fahre. Ich fahre, but du fährst. The E to I, like ich nehme, I take, but du nimmst. And the last one, E to IE, is ich sehe, but du siehst. We've already been using most of these verbs, but now you're going to kind of see the grammar behind it. Okay, and we'll read some things and describe clothing in general. So today we're going to work on vocabulary. Today is all about learning the vocabulary words for the clothing. So here are some pictures. I want you to, I know you might feel silly, but I want you to repeat them after me. That is the best way to learn them. Der Anzug. That's a suit. Das Kleid. Der Pullover. So a pullover is like pretty much anything you pull over your head, like hoodies, although I think they also call those das Hoodie. Die Hose. Those are pants, not jeans, but pants. Die Krawatte. Probably won't use that too much. Die Bluse. Now, die Bluse is a cognate for the blouse. If you don't know what a blouse is, it's like a woman's shirt that's nicer. It's not a t-shirt. It's probably not even a button-up Oxford. It's like more one that would go over your head, or it's fancy. It has a little lace, has a nice little collar on it, something like that. Der Mantel. That's an overcoat, like a heavier coat, not a jacket, what you call a coat. Das Hemd. That would translate as shirt. It can be a male shirt like you see, or a woman's shirt that kind of buttons up, but it's not as nice as a blouse. Die Schuhe. Any shoes. Die Handschuhe. Hopefully you can see that word. I'm not sure if my face is in the word, but it's Handschuhe. So literally in German, gloves are hand shoes. Handschuhe. Okay, I'm going to say them one more time. Try to repeat them, and I'm not going to describe anything. Der Anzug. Das Kleid, der Pullover, die Hose, die Krawatte, die Bluse, der Mantel, das Hemd, die Schuhe, die Handschuhe. Okay, so here's some more. So listen and repeat again. Der Rock. So, if you can picture a girl wearing a rock instead of a skirt, that might help you remember it, because it's not a cognate. Die Jeans. Das T-shirt. Die Shorts. Die Socken. Sorry, die Socke is one sock. Die Socken is more than one sock. Die Jacke. So that's if you have a jacket. You can see it's much lighter. It's not a coat, but what you would consider a jacket. Das Shirt. I don't really know what the difference between das Shirt and das Hemd is. I think they're pretty much interchangeable. Der Strumpf. Das Paar Strümpfe. So those would be tights, leggings, stockings, anything like that. Anything that goes on your legs that's tight, that fits tight. So for most of you, you're probably going to use it in the sense of the leggings that you wear. And the last one, das Sweatshirt. Again, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. It's das Sweatshirt. So this page, you have a lot of cognates, words that sound the same. Jeans, shorts, t-shirt, jacke, sweatshirt. So listen to them one more time. Der Rock, die Jeans, das T-shirt, die Shorts, die Socken, die Jacke, das Shirt, der Strumpf, das Paar Strümpfe, das Sweatshirt. By the way, der Strumpf is like one pair of stockings, and das Paar Strümpfe is a pair of stockings. So Strümpfe is plural, more than one. Okay, so now you're going to do some other activities that are also linked below this video. Tschüss!